So tonight's event was demonstrating the hovercraft that's sitting here behind me.
This year we've attached 2 fire extinguishers to it.
One on each side of the pilot, which allows for what we call vector thrusting.
The physics that's behind it is like the pressure, the thrusting, and the friction.
So you can imagine that you squeeze both at the same time, you move forward, but if you squeeze only one side, it'll twist you in a certain direction.
We've actually never tested it before tonight, and it ended up working.
It produced a lot more thrust than I thought it would, and it went a lot faster than I thought it would. We really want to see the hovercraft at a Rhodes basketball game, maybe during a halftime show, maybe with a combination of demonstrating the thrust vectoring with the fire extinguishers, and maybe even inviting the audience down onto the floor to try and ride the hovercraft.
The physics faculty, like Dr. Hoffmeister, our faculty sponsor, has been such a big help in like planning all these events and helping us get all the materials. So the physics faculty is amazing. Being able to like be a part of these clubs and bringing something like an idea like the hovercraft to life, it enhances my own experience.
It was really useful in seeing the applications of what I've learned through my classes here at Rhodes and being able to apply it to create something as fun as we did with the hovercraft.